It's an awesome monsoon in Savannah, and I'm running away from the rain because it's coming in at me as I talk out the door. So we've got chairs in the pool again. We've got the umbrellas that never got closed because I forgot to close them, and so those are going to be soaked now. And we've got all the rain just flooding in at me. Oh, it's rain. I really, really hope that none of my residents get roof leaks, but I feel really bad for them if they do, and I will do everything I can to help them after the fact, but it's not like I can stop the weather anyway, so I'm going to enjoy it while it lasts. Okay, that was pretty decent for thunder, but the lightning itself was kind of weak. I'm hoping to get one good lightning bolt before I go inside and turn this off. And that is Kristen coming to enjoy the weather. This is Kristen, who I refer to as Death4 and or KMcCluck83 whenever I'm playing on Twitter. Where's the lightning? See if I can get a picture of the pool. Okay, hopefully that'll actually go into the video and not just on my camera. On my end, the entire camera screen just like flashed white when the lightning went off. Not from the lightning itself, but I think from interference. So hopefully that part uploads because that was awesome. I'm so gonna get soaked over here. So I want to get a better view. You can kind of see the chairs in the pool from here. Lightning, please. Ah! Damn rain. Thunder, lightning, please. Okay, it's been 3 minutes, and I've only got one halfway decent lightning bolt, and it wasn't even in frame, so I'm going inside now. I'm sorry for being a weather door. Shit! I don't know if that ended up on the camera. I saw the lightning bolt, and it was awesome, but I'm going to go inside now and stop being a weather dork and not bug you guys anymore. Laters.